Good morning to all. Our subject code is ME8593, subject name Design of Machine Elements. Today we are going to discuss about static stresses and variable stresses in machine members. Right? Next, introduction. Machine design is the creation of new or better machine and improving the existing one. While designing a machine component, the design engineer should have more knowledge about engineering drawing, machining process, material selection, etc. It is used to analyze stresses and deflection due to complicated loading, investigation of a specific design problem through application of theory of elasticity, failure criteria, energy approach, and numerical methods. Good. Next slide. Classification of machine design. First one is adaptive design, second one is development design, third one is new design. In adaptive design, in this design, the designer only makes minor alteration or modification in the existing design of the product. So, no need special knowledge or skill, right? Next, development design. In this design, the design engineer will modify the existing design into a new idea by adapting a new material or different method of manufacture. Right? Next, new design. For this type of design need a lot of research, technical ability, and creative thinking. Go to next slide. The general procedure in machine design. In general procedure in machine design, need or aim, synthesis, analysis of forces, material selection, design of element, modification, detailed drawing. Okay. In designing a machine component, there is no rigid rules. The problem may be attempted in several ways, right? Need or aim. First of all, make a complete statement of the problem indicating the need, aim for which the machine is to be designed. Second one is synthesis. Synthesis means the select the possible mechanism or group of mechanisms which will give the desired motion. Okay. Next, analysis of force. Find the forces acting on each member of the machine and the energy transmitted by each member. Right. Next, material selection. Select the material best suited for each member of the machine. Next, design of elements. Find the size of each members of the machine by considering the force acting on the members and permissible stresses for the material used. Next one is modification. Modify the size of the member to agree with the past experience and judgments to facilitate manufacture. But while designing the component, the overall cost should be reduced. Final one is detailed drawing. Draw the detailed drawing of each component and the assembly of the machine with complete specification. Final one is production. As per the drawing, the component is manufactured in the workshop. The general considerations in machine design, first one is strength and stiffness, surface finish and tolerance, manufacturability, ergonomics and aesthetics, working atmosphere, wear and hardness. Next, selection of materials for engineering purpose. First one is availability of material, second one is suitability of the material for the working conditions in service, the cost of the materials. Mechanical properties of materials. First one is strength. Strength means the ability to resist external force, right? Next one is stiffness, the ability to resist deformation under stress, right? Then elasticity. Elasticity is nothing but property of regain its original shape. Plasticity. Plasticity is nothing but the property which retains the deformation produced under load. Ductility. Ductility means the property of a material to be drawn into wire form with using tensile force. Brittleness. Property of breaking a material without any deformation. Malleability means the property of a material to be rolled or hammered into thin sheet, right? Then toughness, property of a material to be cut. Resilience, the property of a material to absorb energy. Then creep. Creep means material undergoes slow and permanent deformation when subjected to constant stresses with high temperature. Fatigue. Fatigue of material due to cyclic loading. Final one is hardness. Resistance to indentation scratch. These are the various properties of materials. While designing a machine component, engineers must have more knowledge about this, right? So the material properties and material selection, everything is must while designing a new component. Upon completion of this chapter only, you can design a machine components successfully. So design engineers must have more knowledge about this. Then only successfully completed all the design works and machine components. Okay, thank you. Next class we goes to solve the various problems. Thank you.